Welcome to Prayers Farm Nigeria's virtual tour. Prayers Farm Nigeria is a 20-acre aquaculture production and free training facility located in Akwa Ibom State, Nigeria. Nigeria is located in West Africa and is the most populated country in all of Africa. The government of Nigeria lists the extreme poverty at 32%. The average person makes less than $1 per day. Fish farming is very popular throughout all of Africa, but the cost of training prohibits those in the greatest need to receive the education. Prayers Farm Nigeria hopes to put an end to that, at least in the country of Nigeria and the state of Akwa Ibom. Recently, Prayers Farm Nigeria teamed up with Engineering Ministries International, EMI, for the development of a master plan of the entire site. 11 Americans and 1 Great Britain met in the month of October of 2009 to begin the master plan for the site. Presently, the project is underway and development is scheduled to begin in October of 2010. The 2 ponds you see in the lower portion of the campus, next to the river, are part of Prayers Farm restocking program for the waterways of Nigeria. Nigeria has no conservation program, and Prayers Farm plans to establish the first ever conservation program for the capture fisheries of the waterways of Akwa Ibom State and the country of Nigeria. The major part of the self-sustainability of Prayers Farm Nigeria is the use of biogas. The 3 large buildings you see are part of our poultry production. Chicken waste will be introduced into the biogas generators and therefore supply the fuel we need to run the electricity for the entire project. Prayers Farm Nigeria is a self-sustainable production and free training facility unique to Nigeria and to the whole world. Their lower campus consists of 27 fish and hydroponic open systems connected in series. The production facility will produce over 100,000 fish and over 200,000 organic vegetables annually. The water supply is sourced from the lower Ibom River and pumped uphill via 3 spiral water wheels. Spiral water wheels run without electricity. They pump water uphill and are powered by the river's natural flow. Prayers Farm Nigeria is situated on a hillside. The hillside has been terraced like steps. On these steps sit the fish and hydroponics production. As the spiral water wheels pump the water uphill, the water then transfers by gravity, cleaning itself as it flows through each series of fish, biofilters, and hydroponics, entering the stock ponds as environmentally clean water. The upper campus is the free training facility. Prayers Farm Nigeria will have 20 resident students living in dormitories, together with local day students. Training will be given 5 days a week, in classroom and hands-on in the production facility. Proceeds from the production facility will pay for the free training of the students and the staff. We're now looking in the back window of the Prayers Farm Prayer Chapel. Prayers Farm Nigeria is a Christian ministry established for the spread of the gospel of Jesus Christ. Besides free training in aquaculture for the improvement of individuals' temporal lives, we believe it is our duty to improve the eternal lives of everyone by sharing the good news of the gospel. We will offer optional evening Bible study classes on campus. Prayers Farm Nigeria wants to make successful fish farming fishermen, but most importantly, to make fishers of men that will return to their homes throughout Nigeria as disciples of Jesus Christ. That's our mission. This open-air pavilion will be our multi-purpose shelter for such activities as classroom and dining hall. Our informal settings are designed for interaction between our resident students and day students and the Prayers Farm Nigeria staff. From this aerial view, just to the right and behind the pavilion, are 2 20-resident dormitories. Just behind them is our Prayers Farm Village. This village is designed for our graduate level students. For the last month of their semester, students move from their main dormitories to their own house equipped with an aquaculture system. Here, students operate their own closed-system fish and plant aquaculture system from start to finish. They begin by setting up the solar panel pump system and preparing their tanks for fish and plants. By completion of this final training, the student will gain the confidence to return home and begin their own aquaculture endeavors, whether personal or for business. Thanks for taking the Prayers Farm Nigeria Production and Free Training Facility virtual tour. Although this is only a model, you can get the idea of what we have been up to in Africa and hopefully catch the vision God has given Dominic, myself, and many others who have stepped out in faith to see this project happen. By October of 2010, we hope to break ground and begin the first phase of the project, the production facility. May God bless you in Jesus' name.